Hello everybody, welcome in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add objects to your 3D VTuber model using Blender. First we're going to start off with vroid Studio, how to export your file so you have the correct file to start with. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have the vroid Studio opened and I'm just going to do a test model to show you how to export. So you hit create new right here. You're going to choose which one you want. Then that's going to load up. Takes a few moments. I'm not going to do any edits. We're just going to go straight to export. So you're going to go up here to this little box here with the little arrow. Click on it. And then you're going to hit export. Takes a little bit for the next box to load. We have it here. Over here you don't change anything, you just hit export. You're going to make sure that you do the VRM 0.0. The VRM 1.1 will not work, so you're just going to title it. I'm just going to do test up here, test. And then when we go all the way down here, you don't select anything else, you just hit export. And then you're going to name it and save it somewhere where you know where it is. I have a vroid file that I made, folder that I made, and you click that, and that is it. So now we'll move on to the next step. So for you to be able to bring in your model to Blender, you have to have what is called the VRM extension add-on to bring into your Blender, which I will link in the comments, and this is how to add that into your Blender. You're going to go here to File, you're going to go to Preferences, and you're going to go up here to the top where this little arrow is. Click on that, and then you're going to locate Install to Disk. You're going to locate that file, which should be in your download folder unless you put it somewhere else. It'll say the VRM add-on. Click on that, Install to Disk. Then once you install that, you're going to click this out. I'm not installing it because I already have it installed. Go to your add-ons, right down here where it says the VRM, click that arrow. Just scrolling down. I have all these boxes checked. I don't have that top one checked. Then you go down to your export. I only have that one box checked. All those are not. You leave that all blank. And that is pretty much it. Then that file is installed. Then we can move on to the next thing. Alright, so we're going to add object into the Blender. So you're going to open Blender, click on General, click on your box, and delete that with your delete key on your keyboard. Then you're going to press 1, and that's going to sit front face. You're going to do File, Import. So we're going to import our VRM first. So we're going to click on that. And then you're going to find where you saved your VRM. I have a folder just labeled vroid. I'm going to bring in that test. So click on that, hit open, and then it takes a few moments for it to load. And there they are. So now we're going to bring in the object that we want to add. So we're going to go back to File, Import. We're going to click on FBX. And then you're going to find where you put that. I have a folder named Models. I have a vrchat I'm going to bring in. I'm going to upload that. Import that, excuse me. And then we're going to click off of it, click back on the hat. We're going to go over to this right side to this box that says Objects. Then we're going to click on Relations. Parent, you're going to choose Armature. So just click on that. Then under that, we're going to choose Bone. Then under that, Parent Bone, we're going to choose Head because that's the spot that we want the object to go on. So then once you have this, you are going to click 3. That's going to give you that side view. And then you're going to click on Rotate and rotate it to the position that you want it. And then once you have that, you're going to click on Scale, and you're going to have to scale it down to fit on your model. So we're going to scale the side, we're going to scale the hat down as small as we want it, and just keep on scaling until you get it where you want it. So making it smaller there. Then we're going to go and click on 1 to do that front face view, and we're going to scale it this way. So you have to make sure that you scale it from both views. And then we're just going to go around and make sure that the hat is placed properly on the head where you placed it. So just using your mouse just to scroll around your model, and you see that it is where you want it. So you're good. That's all you have to do for that. And then you're going to save it. So once you want to save it, you have to hit A to select all. You want to make sure you do that. File, export, and you're going to export it as the VRM. Then you're going to find the folder that you want it in. I'm going to put it in my vroid folder, and then you're going to title it whatever you title it. I'm going to title it test because this is just to show you, and hit save. That's where your file is. The next thing we're going to show you is how to bring it into vroid. So you're going to open your vseeface. You see here, you're going to hit add avatar. So you just click on that add avatar. You're going to find the folder that you saved it in, which I told you was in the vroid folder. Click on that open, and there it is. You see, simple to bring it in as long as you have that correct file saved. And there is the hat on my model. If you like the video, please like, subscribe. If you have suggestions on what you want to see next from me, please let me know. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.